हेलो बच्चों, काउंट द नंबर्स. 0. Here is 0 dot 1. Say 1 dot. 2. Say 2 1 2. Say 3 1 2 3. Say 4 1 2 3 4. Say 5 1 2 3 4 5. Say 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Say 7. How many dots are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Say 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Here is 8 dot. Say 8. Say 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. How many dots are there? There is 9 dots.